Uninstalling a spy app may be tricky because they are hidden under a fake name and icon. Even if you know the fake name of the app, it's not possible to uninstall the spyware from the phone since they are having administrative permissions. In this video, I'll show you how you can uninstall Spyic from your target phone. However, the same steps can be used to uninstall any other spy app as well. Spyic is installed with a fake name of Play Services. As you can see, I am trying to uninstall it but I can't. To uninstall Spyic, you can go to the settings of the target phone and then from there you need to go to accessibility settings. Then go to install services and choose Play Services option. Now simply toggle off accessibility settings for Play Services. Now go back to settings and go to apps. Here you can find the list of all the apps installed on the phone. Search for the app by typing the name in the search bar at the top. Once you find the app, tap on it and then tap on uninstall. On the next screen, select deactivate and uninstall. Then tap on OK and the app will be uninstalled from your phone. You can restart and use the target phone again without the fear of being monitored. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to let us know by hitting the like button. Also, you can subscribe to our channel to show your gratitude.